Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Tuesday, November 7th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Dubai has launched a new global prompt engineering championship with a total of 1 million UAE dirhams prize money, the equivalent of $272,000. The new competition aims to attract some of the brightest generative AI prompt engineers to Dubai and position the emirate as a destination for Gen AI talent. The championship will take place at the Museum of the Future during May 2024. Meanwhile, Abu Dhabi's Edge Group has acquired a majority 52% stake in autonomous air systems developer 𝘱𝘰𝘮𝑦𝘮. The Switzerland-based company designs and manufactures unmanned helicopters for various military mission profiles. The acquisition could see Edge becoming a market leader in unmanned helicopters. And in Oman, the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Investment Promotion has amended the national regulations for licensing fuel stations. All filling stations will now be required to provide charging points for electric vehicles. Oman currently has over 400 electric vehicles on the roads. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.